Shoulder and elbow surgery really kind of spoke to me. I think every orthopedic surgeon has a story about getting injured early on. It's not what led me to it, but I was a swimmer in high school. I was an athlete. I've had a couple shoulder surgeries. I actually had 2 of them here at the Crystal Clinic when I was younger. So that really spoke to me, and it was something that always made sense to me. And when we start looking at different fellowship trained specialties, it was a very complex joint, and I loved it. And like I said, I had some history with it. So I think the special thing about orthopedics especially is not only can you meet a person, but they have a specific problem and you can get hands-on with it. You can fix it, and they feel so much better almost immediately or shortly thereafter. You really give them their life back. And it seems so minute. It seems like an everyday thing that we do. But when they come back and they're feeling better and they can do the things, or they're so excited that they can sleep at night, I think that's really something that really makes me proud. So I think one of the most important things from a patient standpoint that the Crystal Clinic offers is, in a day and age where more and more physicians are employed by hospital systems, and they have to follow a certain rubric. We're physician-owned, physician-guided, patient-centered, and that allows us to stay up to date on all the latest technology. We can collaborate with each other and kind of come up with new techniques, and we really push the patient aspect of it, which gives us better results and beautiful facilities to do it in. I've been married for actually to my high school sweetheart. We have 2 kids. We have a black lab mix that we got from the shelter back before I was even in med school. So he's been dragged around all over the country during training. But besides that, I love fishing, love being outdoors, just spending time with the kids. That's really takes a majority of my time right now. I think it's never too early to come and see one of the doctors, especially if you're having some aches and pains here and there, because even though we are surgeons, we do a lot of things non-operatively, and if we can get you feeling better and get you on the road to recovery and get you back on the golf course or back on the court, things like that. So it's always a good idea just to come in. We can look at your imaging, we can look at your exam, we can discuss it together, and we can find out the best options for you, whether that's physical therapy, injections, or some anti-inflammatories. So just give us a call over at Crystal Clinic and we can figure it out together.